New at 6, we are getting a sobering first-hand account of what the city of Seattle is up against in its efforts to clean up downtown and stop the flow of deadly fentanyl. Mayor Bruce Harrell unveiled his plan to do just that earlier this week. We asked KOMO's Jeremy Harris to look at how fentanyl is impacting downtown Seattle. He's live with this Project Seattle report tonight. Jeremy?
Yeah, today King County recorded its 400th overdose death of the year. The data is shockingly bad, but it only tells part of the story about the situation here in Seattle with fentanyl and the mayor's promises to fix it. This corner newspaper stand at 3rd and Pike once sold papers to office workers. Now they pass out Narcan to drug users.
It don't bother me.
Yeah.
I'm open about it.
Travis Hudson agreed to let us film him as he and his friend smoked fentanyl in the window of the downtown Ross. Do you want to get into rehab?
I do, and I want to do more than just this because I'm capable of doing more than this.
He said he's been offered rehab before, but keeps coming back to fentanyl. As Travis sits out as high on a street corner, sirens and flashing lights swarm in as someone else is overdosing in an alley. Paramedics did CPR for 15 minutes, then called it. The white sheet went on, the crime tape went up. This is the routine tragedy that Seattle Mayor Bruce Harrell says can still be fixed. The mayor says he wants law enforcement to disrupt the downtown drug trade, but cops are already here and have been. We watched as a transit cop cleared an entire block today. As soon as he left, the public drug use continued.
It's absolutely out of control. I mean, I'm appalled at my city.
The mayor also says he wants more help for those who survive an overdose, a facility where users can be taken and connected to rehab. Cost and location still to come. Do you have faith that the mayor can fix this?
I would hope so.
Spend a day downtown and this is what you'll see. Talk to the people here. They'll tell you they hope the mayor can do what he's promising.
I pray for the city. It's savable, definitely savable.
Now, part of the mayor's plan also calls for the fire department to expand their overdose program. His vision there would be when somebody does survive an overdose, that they would be able to be taken to a center, given access to treatment, and there would be follow-up care from those same paramedics who would treated them for the overdose. Mayor says more details of his plan are going to be rolled out over the next few months as well. Reporting live in Seattle, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.
Gut-wrenching stuff, Jeremy. Thank you. The opioid and fentanyl crisis will be the subject of tomorrow's meeting of the King County Board of Health. Experts will discuss recent overdose trends, who is the most at risk, and how to fight the crisis. Last year, there were 712 deadly fentanyl overdoses in King County compared to 385 a year before.